one should be 98 centimeters, the other 90. Okay. So this is a 2571. So I need the respective adjoining plate is 257. So these numbers should be consecutive. Now this one will then come at the back to come out like this at the back. Then profile there. Can you see that's the appropriate profile? Slight curve, then straightens at the end. So that's the profile we're looking for. So this is the correct way to join this. Then this will be joined by the bolts and nuts. Yep, so you do this for all 4 pairs. By the way, I have 2 rails here, so the longest one is the one that goes to the front. So I've got a 98 centimeter one and a 90 centimeter one. Then also in terms of the profile, the leading edge is this one with the shorter gap. Then this one with the longer gap is the trailing profile, kind of like your aircraft wing. That's the setup that you have. So this is a good aerodynamic profile, thick at the front, tipping at the back. So for my front left rail, I'm going to take my number 271 and 272 brackets. This is my 271 with the bracket with the rubber gasket. Then I've got my 272 there. So my part number 2572 will attach like this. So this is front left of the car. This is going to go to the front left. Then my 271 is going to bend this rubber gasket downwards. Then going to come out like this. And I'm going to put that, then my lock nut. I'm going to lock this up. My lock nut. It's a very simple process. I'll get this tool from Cruz. If you want, you can just use a. It looks like on the side, rubber gasket curved downwards. 2 of those blades at the front. 271 and 272 bracket pair, front left. Then we'll have 273 4 bracket pair, front right, which is the other side of this same rail. Back rail, we're going to have a pair of, I think, 277, 278 of right back. We'll have a bracket pair, number 276, 275. This is the bit that will go, that will cover the whole setup. This is the back one, this is the front one. But then this rubber gasket over here is going to be slotted there. Going to slot it there, so that, see that rubber gasket, so that when I close up the assembly, it's going to slide this, then I'll lock it up. But I'm going to mount these on the car just like that while it's loose. Then when I'm happy with my distance, I'm going to lock this nut up with this special tool. Ideally, you should be tightening these 2 to 5 Newton meters.